Hi, to enable Raise to Wake Up feature on your Xiaomi Mi Band 8 active, as a first step, make sure that it is connected to your phone via Bluetooth and that Mi Fitness app is installed on your phone. Now open this app, make sure that the band is connected to the app as well, and in that case you would see the name of your device in the upper panel and the battery percentage. So now to use this Raise to Wake feature, we will need to go in the system settings, select Raise to Wake, and here we need to select either all day or scheduled. If you tap the scheduled, you would need to select the start point for this feature and the end point. Just swipe up or down to select the right time. We can also enable all day, and now when we will just raise our band, it will wake up by itself like that. Let's try this out once more. And yes, everything is working correctly. So if you want to use this feature, just simply enable it right here in the settings. If you want to disable it, just tap it again and go in the off mode. And now it will be disabled. So yeah, that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.